Earning extra money can go a long way in helping you save and invest in the future. In this video, I would like to share with you some of the gigs I have tried personally to earn that extra cash. Saving money can be done in one or two ways. You can either reduce your budget or just earning extra income, or both. Ideally, you want to start by creating a budget that is within your means. Looking at what you spend, month in and month out, will help you identify wasteful spending. If you want to get ahead financially, you need to be disciplined about keeping your expenses low. But what if your budget is already as lean as you can make it, and you're still not able to earn enough to save or invest? Obviously, you need to earn more money. Here are the gigs I have tried in the past to earn over $1,000 a month. The first gig I have tried was working for Amazon. There are many types of jobs that you can go for at Amazon, but the one I had signed up for was working as a part-time warehouse associate. These jobs usually will have fixed schedules that you can pick when you sign up, and some will even have sign-on bonuses when you work for 90 days. The schedule varies from full-time to part-time hours. I personally worked 5 hours a day, Monday through Friday, from 8:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. My job was basically processing customer returns, checking every item to determine if they are sellable or not. It's not terribly backbreaking, but you are pretty much on your feet for hours at a time. I had a 20-minute break in that 5-hour shift, and they do make sure you meet your processing metrics. Some warehouse associates do perform more grueling work like moving boxes around and wrapping pallets. At my part-time gig with Amazon, I was making $17 an hour. However, I did quit after 2 weeks, only because I found other gigs that paid more and offered more flexible hours. The next gig I tried was delivering food. I signed up for Ubereats and DoorDash. To make money delivering food, you have to make sure you account for the miles you drive for each delivery. Each mile has inherent costs of maintenance and gas. IRS has designated 59 cents a mile as a mileage deduction for drivers in 2022. This means that 59 cents of every mile needs to be treated as a cost of business. On top of that, gas cost needs to be taken into account. I personally made sure that I only take orders that are at least $1.25 per mile, and no less than $5 per order. Based on my calculations, this is the minimum orders that I would accept, in order for me to make roughly $20 an hour, after all costs. I initially worked both the lunch hours and dinner hours each day, but then decided to cut down to just lunch hours due to burnout. Anyway, for 2.5 hours every day, I tend to take home about $300 to $350 a week. It's a pretty easy job, but you do have to deal with delivery issues, like restaurant delays, and of course finding that damn hidden apartment in the apartment building. God, I hate apartment deliveries. Anyway, besides the gig jobs, I am doing other things on my own to earn some extra money. Day trading is something I have done for quite a while. I day trade the futures market on a daily basis. I trade the S&P 500 futures market, and my performance has been pretty consistent. I'm actually building a business around my day trading to earn extra income on top of my trading profits. I have listed my strategy on a third-party site called Collective2 to track my stats live, and also allowing others to follow my trades automatically for a monthly fee. You can check my performance by visiting the Collective2 link in the video description. And lastly, you can always create things to sell, or at least provide content that would be value added for people. You can make apparel, create courses, or even share content for profit. Selling your work as an artist works well for some people on sites like Patreon or Subscribestar. Others like myself use YouTube to share content and try to make money by monetizing that content. I created this YouTube channel as a way to share my passion for trading, investing, and personal finance with everyone around the world. I called this channel Broke Ass Capital. Because let's face it, we're all broke asses at some point in our lives, and some of us are still broke asses looking to get ahead. So the content I make aims to help others in the personal finance space. Obviously, this channel is barely making any money right now. But maybe in the future, I can earn enough from this channel to get a happy meal. But seriously, if you do like this type of content, please hit that like button and subscribe. I release videos weekly and also share YouTube shorts on my trading performance at Collective too. There are so many ways to make extra money on the side. It all boils down to picking the ones that fit your schedule and the ones that you have enough interest in to make long-term profits on. I hope this video has given you ideas on how you can make that extra cash and be able to save money and use some of that to invest to get ahead financially. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.